cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Not gonna be enough though. And Echo, sila kayo may control.
Wow, dapat!
Pwede pa tayo kumuha ng gold mula doon. Yung
Yun!
Ayan na! Si Yawi, sinimulan na! For sure.
40 seconds. Ay, Yawi, what a play! The flick!
Dahil doon, talagang nabaliktad yung laban. Pero kita mo yung Oni, kaya pa lumaban.
Oh!
Apat ang nanakap! Grabe naman yan, Kuya Yawi! Ready tayo kahit nasa ilalim tayo ng Storore! Eto na si Ben!
Scenario na kung saan siya ay jungler, pero sobrang likot niya. Pero si Yawi, sobrang likot rin nakukuha ng sipa doon. Kiboy for Onyx. Nakita na yung
Eto
clutch!
naman!
But not the
Kanina
clutch
ka
kick!
pa! Ano ba?
Tama naman. Hindi naman talaga trabaho ng isang
Yun
story. Pero si Yawi conceal play, sipa na naman!
Maaaring right now, kaya rin doon sa taas. Nag-abort play, abort vision. Oh my
Yawi
God,
with a
kaya
kill!
nila.
Conceal play. Nilapit ng mga miyembro ng
Pag
Echo na
kinonyan
the
ni
kick
Yawi,
on
alam
to
mo
Boots.
na.
That's a kick on to Boots.
Taking out Skylar. Flicker, si Yawi,
Yawi
take
with
the
a kick!
play! Oh my God! Si Kurt Easy, man, 200 HP nakakuha pa ng Lord. And Yawi, nahuli nila si Vin dito. And that is Echo taking down the Rover. Oh, Kurt Easy, wala si Albert dito. Nakatingin si Yawi sa may banda ko lahat. That's our 7 that they will take out. Nakapag-split ng spirit.
National pero pipigilan ni Hachi, the KDA machine. Buhay pa rin ang side ng Blacklist. And it is